guys, so today we have a special video. India's gonna be here with me.
We are going to rent a box of toys. We have special toys in the motor machine. And so I'm going to go to the box with toys. So we are gonna buy the toys.
Can I talk for a minute?
Today we are going.
Okay, so for India's Halloween costume, I did the wand, and I have the process video and everything. But Crate Paper did a costume contest to see you could enter, like, you private message them a picture of your costume as long as it contained a Crate Paper product from any line, anything. But because I used Hey Pumpkin collection, I entered India's witch costume and her wand in the costume contest, and we won third prize. Yeah, so India, you won third prize.
I got third prize.
Yeah, so we just got the box, came in today. Super excited to go through it. We have not opened it. I literally just did it with the X-Acto knife, just opened the tape. I went to plug my phone in, or clamp it into my little clamp for my videos, and it broke. So now we're holding the phone and doing this face to face, which is not what the plan was. Oh, nope, don't cut, baby. We're gonna do this. So I'm gonna flip it around. Okay, I'll flip the video around and you can watch us open the box.
Let me wash it.
Okay, so here's the box.
What's that? What's in the box?
Ooh,
Whoa.
oh, it is Snowflake collection.
It is my collection.
It's gonna be so fun. Okay, let's move the box.
But now we're going to open that box.
Okay.
And now today we are going to open this box.
So I haven't really looked at that much at the Christmas collections for this year because I was so intent on finding the collection, the Snow and Cocoa collections at Tuesday morning and some of the Merry Days.
Today we are going to open those stars.
So this one is the 6x12 sticker sheet. He's so cute. And you can see the gold foil. Oh, hey, no, let Mama hold that, please.
We are going.
Sorry if this video is making you sick. I'm very, very sorry.
Let me look at me.
Okay,
Let me look at me.
You can look at these.
Today we are going to.
Sorry, apparently this was a bad idea to do with India.
So today we
but it'd
are
be
going
cute.
to with
Apparently it's
pop
just crazy.
show.
Oh, the little
we
trees.
Get to a pop show. Let's get pop show movies.
I love all the gold accents on this. That'll be fun. Oh, the stars are fun.
One day.
India, look at the snowman.
I see that snowman.
Look at that snowman. She has a little scarf and a little bow.
Yeah, that's great, Bobby.
Okay, thank you. And then, no, baby. No. We're not doing glitter right now. Thank you.
So today we are going.
Oh, these are pretty. I wanted to order these.
That's a good idea.
And it's not like a real gold. It's more like a rose gold, like coppery kind of color, which is really nice. I love that it's not all words. There's like this big snowflake, there's a tree, there's this little branch guy. Those are fun. Okay, and then we've got, hey, watch out, baby. Be careful of your fingers. The die cuts. And all those. And it looks like there's some of those foil in there as well. Those are cute.
Can I fix it?
Yeah, we'll fix it in a minute. We're not doing that right now. Right now we're looking at the box.
But today
And the puffy stickers. We love puffy stickers. They're so cute. Look at her with her little pink. Is it her hair or her hat? She's adorable.
She's adorable.
Do you like her?
She's adorable. But today we are going to get those
And the little hat, and the pine cone with the pink.
But
and the
then
snowman.
one day.
The socks.
But
Just everything cute.
Going to the box. Go to make Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol and the washi tape. See, I don't usually invest in washi tape.
Let's say with Paw Patrol.
I usually go for chipboard and Pokey stickers and sometimes die cut. Or a good amount die cut packs. But these are adorable. Those little pink cars with the Christmas tree.
Let me see.
You see it?
I see it.
Isn't that so cute? And the little rose gold Christmas trees. The foiled Christmas trees.
Hey, just stop
And that little plant. Okay. Hey, Indy, please stop. And chipboard. I love chipboard.
I love chipboard.
You love chipboard?
I love the snowman.
Yeah, he is so cute.
Scarf.
Look at her earmuffs.
I want to.
Look, she has a scarf too.
Yeah, headphones too.
Oh, headphones. Yeah, we're dancing.
Then we make
There you go.
We make
I like the little houses. I think it'd be cute to mix the little houses. I have houses in several collections of different, like not just chipboards, some stickers, some die cuts. So that would be fun to mix. And I love these little stars. Because those are things you can use not at Christmas time too. Oh, and that little car. And this has the gold foil as well. And then, sorry. Hold on. I'm going to put you down for a second. Hold on. Really quickly. Okay. So sorry. I will order a new thing from Amazon soon. Because that's awful. So this is the whole paper pad. It's so pretty. So here, I'll just do a quick flip through. Here, watch out, babe.
But we
There's
go
that
to
nice
the sky.
mustard yellow.
Mustard yellow.
Oh, and the Christmas trees are so cute and tiny. Here, watch your hands. Let's flip through.
But we go
Oh,
to
that's a nice little cut apart sheet. Here, let's cut it open. I'm trying to do this left-handed, which is not the greatest idea. It's probably a really bad idea. Okay. There we go. So we can see it all at once. So there's the Christmas tree. There's that cut apart sheet. He's cute. I love these little tags right here. And that little guy. He's cute. Okay, don't poke, please. Look at the stars, India. They're so cute and wonky. Okay, watch out. I'm gonna smash your fingers. Ooh, the green's pretty. It has the little cars at the top. Okay, watch out. Look at the cars.
You see those cars?
Those would be really cute fussy cut.
But I'm going to stand over.
Okay, next one. That one's cute.
Stop.
Simple.
I'm going.
Okay, please stop. Stop, please.
What's on, Mommy?
And that one, I love that mustard. And that one's pretty. Here, I'll hold it up higher. Hey, back up, please. We're flipping through. And then green.
And then
And a red. Look at that red's pretty.
the
With the darker red top dots. Oh, this one's so cute. Look at the little ice skaters. Sorry, we're doing this sideways. I didn't really mean to. Okay, watch out, babe. Look at the little skaters. And a little snowman. And a little snowman. Little houses and the little bench.
But
There.
I go to the school, the cactus real high.
It's a nice mint with like a teal print on it. More little cut up hearts with all different words. Oh, they're tags. They have little holes to be tags. That's cute. Those would be cute. We do like you'll see a more in-depth video sometime in December, but we do yearly t-shirts for everyone in our family. I design and make screens, and my husband and I screen print all of them together, and so those would be really awesome to be little tags for that. Here, watch out. Okay. And then, oh, that's pretty. The blush with the mustard. That's another one that would be good, even not Christmas. And all the sweaters, the little scarves, and the little hats. Here, don't break those, please. And that's pretty. That'll be nice. It's on a nice cream. Oh, this one's pretty, Indy. Look at that one. It's so pretty.
I'm going to finish that.
Oh, you're going to do that instead? Ooh, that one's cute. The little black, tiny triangles. That's the word I'm looking for. And then there is the snowmen. I love the snowmen. They would be great to be fussy cut. And then a nice channel. It's like a dark teal navy with a lighter, like dusty blue dot. Here. This one's so pretty. Thank you. I love this one. That one's really pretty. Here, watch out. Ooh, that's pretty too with the nice little tiny dots. What's
Well, then one day I'm going to
pinstripe? That's the word, the phrase I was looking for. Pinstripe.
Oh, I don't.
And more cut up hearts. Those are cute. Oh, those are cute. I think I have pictures for that specifically. Those would be great to fussy cut. The mustard, I guess they repeat. Yep, and then they just repeat all over again.
Look, I
That is the Snowflake collection. I'm so excited. They were super generous and gave me a lot of it. So I am excited to add that to my big giant Christmas kit that I'm going to be working on in December. If you haven't heard, my plan is to do a... No. We're not doing glue right now. My plan is to do a video a day. We're not doing it right now. Shh, India, we're not doing that right now. We're not crafting. My plan is to do a video a day in December. Not all of them are necessarily going to be layouts, but a lot of layouts.
Mommy.
And then...
Let me do it.
Hold on. We're going to switch the camera around so she can see herself. Hold on.
Make up the paper. So I'm going...
So the plan is to do a video a day in December. And not all layouts. Some layouts, the first should probably or will probably be a big giant kit share, including like a really quick run through of everything that I've already bought. I've already done haul videos for everything I've bought, but and then a big share of no thank you. We're not doing that right now. Thank you. Then we'll also do a big share
I'm going to open the box with
everything.
toys. Okay, it's mommy stuff. So is mommy stuff.
Really?
So is mommy stuff.
Yeah. So then I'll also share all the things that I'm pulling from my stash already. So most of it's paper, but there's some other stuff. I've still got a few things that I'm hoping to get. I'm still looking for the Snow and Cocoa 12x12 pad, 6x12 pad, 6x6 pad, 6x12 sticker sheet and chipboard sheet, as well as there's a couple things I want to pick up at Hobby Lobby, just little knick-knack things. So yeah, so thanks for watching if you did. If you got all the way to the end, good for you. This was kind of a crazy video. I'm very sorry.
Let me get another video. Okay, bye.
Okay, if you like the video, hit like, comment if you have questions.
Subscribe. Goodbye.
Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification if you want to hear every time I post a video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
You're cute.
They were watching those videos and subscribe. Bye.